I've got to show you guys how you make this delicious salted caramel apple protein coffee. I'm obsessed. Let me show you. I've drank this 3 days in a row, if that tells you anything you need to know. So we're gonna start with the 0 calorie, 0 sugar, salted caramel drizzle in the cup, just because we wanna make it Gorgina. And that is Gorgina. Gas station ice. You can also do this coffee hot, and you can make this into a protein milkshake. All right, coffee. Anywhere between 8 and 12 ounces, however big of a coffee you want. All right, salted caramel skinny syrup. I usually just make a plain caramel apple, but I'm out of my caramel protein shake, so we're doing salted caramel today. So I do like 3 pumps of this. I love my stuff super sweet. If you don't like super sweet, cut your skinny syrups back, and then you can add more if you need to. I'm gonna do 4 pumps of candy apple skinny syrup. I'm obsessed, can you tell? I just got this bottle. Careful, because I didn't want it on my new shirt. I may do my coffee a little different than some people do. That's okay. You do it however you want. Coffee in. Salted caramel protein shake. Normally I just do a caramel protein shake just to make it caramel apple, but this is what we're working with today. It's gonna be delicious still. Okay, I'll pour more of this in as I drink the coffee down. And if you're not using protein shakes as your creamer, what are you doing? We're gonna jazz her up, okay? So, pour a little bit of your protein shake in a cup or whatever. A little salted caramel skinny syrup. This is gonna be so good. Candy apple skinny syrup. And we're gonna make a salted caramel apple protein foam. Oh, it's gonna be so beautiful. Cannot wait till you see this. The foam is foaming. Look at this. Look, look, look. Are you paying attention? Oh my gosh. Oh baby, we are not done. If you know me, we ain't done. She has to be extra, extra Gorgina. So 0 calorie, 0 sugar, salted caramel skinny sauce on top. Oh, I have never seen anything more Gorgina. I'm just telling you, this is absolutely delish. Little tip, I told you guys that I will pour my protein shake in as I drink it down. Put you a little of the candy apple skinny syrup in your protein shake. That way it keeps that caramel apple flavor. Look at there.